Good afternoon. This is Don Weed with Heartland Funding, Inc. here in Peoria. It is October 25th, 2018. Oh yeah, you can see my Rotary badge there too. Isn't that nice? I'm at 1302 Kettelle Street in Peoria, Illinois. I just got the keys for this house here. Going to purchase this house. It'll make a great flip house for me. So it's a great little house, has potential, and going to make the owner happy, me happy. Everybody should be happy on this transaction. Just wanted you to see one of our investment properties that we're purchasing. So come to our website, www.heartlandbuyshouses.com, or give us a call, 1-800-255-8250. Don Weed signing off from Peoria, Illinois. Thank you.